In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, just like in my case, select this gear icon, tap on voice typing and use gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Following that, select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can simply pause, or you can click on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!